Today, we're going to dive into an exciting strategy for trading cryptocurrency using a trading bot. But hey, we'll keep it casual, motivating, and elegant, just the way you like it. Check the description for a 7-day free trial. And even after the trial ends, you still have access to the demo bot, which is free. So it gives you time to build your confidence. First things first, if you want to succeed in crypto trading, you need a reliable exchange. And guess what? We're about to add some flair to your crypto journey. It's all about finding the right exchange, and here's the deal. The more coins an exchange has, the better. All right, now that you've chosen your exchange, let's talk about backtesting. For this strategy, we're going to set our backtesting time frame to just 3 days. It's short, sweet, and effective. Next up, we're going to pick one of the top 3 pairs available on your chosen exchange. These pairs are usually more liquid, which means smoother trades. Trust me, it's a smart move. Now let's talk money. Your investment should be around $700. But hey, if you're just starting out, it's perfectly fine to begin with a smaller amount. Remember, it's all about growth. Time to set up your trading bot. For this strategy, I like to go with the RSI, Relative Strength Index. It's a classic indicator that can help you spot potential buying and selling opportunities. When it comes to averaging orders, let's keep it simple. Change the settings to 7. This means your bot will place buy orders at intervals of 7. It's a great way to reduce risk, waiting time during the duration of the bot, and maximize potential profits. Now, here's where the magic happens. We'll set up an average price with an indicator, and yes, it's the RSI. This will help you get the most out of each sell and stay ahead of the game. And now, my friends, it's time to start the bot. Watch as it takes your settings into action, automating your trades based on the RSI indicator. And that's it. You've just embarked on a journey towards more successful and automated crypto trading. Remember, trading comes with its risks, so always be vigilant and stay informed. Now here's a scenario. The market is going sideways, and your trading bot isn't hitting any buy orders. What do? Well, let's add some finesse to our trading game. Manually inject some funds into the market. Ideally, take your investment amount, which for me is $700, and divide it by 7. That's $100. But here's the elegant part. Don't rush. Do this every 24 hours until the bot sells. This way, you'll have extra funds on the side to assist the bot in making you money. Remember, patience is key in the world of crypto trading. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. After 3 days to 1 week, it's time to reassess your strategy. Keep an eye on your bot's performance, and if it's not meeting your expectations, consider making a change. But don't be too hasty to close the bot. Closing the bot can be done manually, or for those who love automation, you can set a target profit to auto-close it. This way, you ensure that you're taking profits when your strategy aligns with your goals. And there you have it, an elegant and strategic approach to managing your crypto trading bot. Remember, crypto trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay vigilant, and continue to refine your strategies for success. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motivating and insightful trading content. Until next time, may your trades be profitable and your portfolios flourish. Happy trading, everyone!